Ethereum has enjoyed a healthy start to 2024, and seems to have its sights set even higher with multiple positive events on the horizon for the world's second-largest cryptocurrency. Can ETH sustain its bullish momentum, or is a correction on the horizon? Ethereum price history. Ethereum launched through an ICO in 2014 for $0.311 per coin. Until January 2016, it mostly traded for less than $1. However, in January 2018, the price reached an ATH of $1,270. The price exploded again in 2021, eventually creating its current ATH, on the 16th of November, of $4,891.70. After this all-time high, the crypto bear market started, which saw the Ethereum price sink to lows of $890 on the 18th of June 2022. Since these lows, the Ethereum price has been trending upwards. It climbed above $1,000 and found support there at the end of 2022. The Ethereum price endured high volatility throughout 2023, hitting highs above $2,000 and lows near $1,000. One of the main causes for this was the actions of the SEC in the USA, who sued the two biggest crypto exchanges, Binance and Coinbase, in June and were battling in court with Grayscale regarding its rejection of Grayscale's Bitcoin ETF. They eventually lost this case in mid-October. At the end of October, the whole of the crypto market received a boost from the expectation that a Bitcoin ETF would be approved in the coming months, and ETH finished the year at $2,282.11, 91% up from January 1st. On Bitcoin ETF approval day, January 10, 2024, Ethereum gained as much as 12% on the expectation that it would be the next token to have an ETF approved. After a brief slump, the crypto markets and Ethereum rallied. This sent the price of ETH climbing, and just 2 months after ETF approval, Ethereum topped $4,000. Ethereum price prediction 2024. In early 2024, a crypto bull market is seemingly underway, with Bitcoin hits new ATHs and meme mania hitting the markets. This is widely expected to continue, with an upcoming Bitcoin halving event in April, which has historically triggered bull markets each time it has occurred, which is once every 4 years. There is also the possibility of the approval of an Ethereum ETF in May, which would be hugely bullish for the Ethereum price. However, top analysts have recently revised down their expectations of approval, from 70% to 30%. However, all assets carry risks, and there are multiple factors that could negatively impact the future price of Ethereum and other cryptocurrency price predictions. For example, macroeconomic factors could worsen and dampen any hopes of other top cryptos reaching new ATHs. One of the biggest indicators of improving macroeconomic factors is cuts in the interest rate in the world's biggest economies, like the USA. While hope for this was high at the start of the year, it has faded slightly as the Fed are yet to reduce interest rates. Many experts are now not expecting cuts until the latter half of the year. Another consideration is that the SEC could file a lawsuit against Ethereum, particularly since SEC Chair Gary Gensler has refused, last year, to say that ETH is not a security. Nevertheless, there are numerous factors, besides the Bitcoin halving event and ETF approval, which could help ETH grow in 2024. For example, the regulatory framework for crypto continues to take shape in countries around the world, providing investors and users with assurance of how crypto is going to be treated by regulatory bodies and governments. It is notable that the USA lags behind the rest of the developed world with its regulating of the crypto industry, introducing various bills to regulate the industry, but not yet passing any of them into law. While legislation in the USA isn't the be-all and end-all of crypto legislation, the news does always weigh heavily on the price of the top cryptocurrencies. All this being said, the Bitcoin halving event in April 2024 is the only certain piece of news for the crypto markets. With that in mind, we expect that ETH could track along with Bitcoin and post new ATHs of $6,500 in 2024. If, however, the global economic outlook looks rocky in 2024, we could see ETH struggle to reach an ATH and, as a result, predict an average ETH price of $4,500 in 2024. If the global economic situation takes a downturn in 2024, or ETF approval takes a long time, or doesn't come at all, we could see ETH struggle to retake previous high, and are, therefore, predicting a low of $1,800 for ETH in 2024. Ethereum price prediction 2025. Provided the crypto bull market occurs in 2024, we can expect Ethereum to continue to create new ETHs in 2025. Bull markets typically last 18 months, so if it begins in Q1 2024, Q3 2025 will likely be when it peaks. Generally, each bull market produces less growth from its previous ETH for established cryptos. This is because as an asset matures, the amount of liquidity needed to boost its price increases. In other words, the most volatile cryptos are usually newer with lower market caps. For example, according to CoinMarketCap, Ethereum reached a $1,270 ETH in 2018, and 6,600% increase from its 2016 ETH of $18.90. Comparatively, the difference between its ETHs in 2018 and 2021 was only 285%. However, it is also worth noting that Ethereum's transition from proof of work to proof of stake has led it to be labeled as ultrasound money by some, because a small percentage of ETH is burned from each transaction, potentially making it a deflationary asset. ETH inflation or deflation can be tracked at ultrasound money. A bull market also results in increased interest in Ethereum, the number 2 cryptocurrency, and, as a result, network activity also increases. This means that the total amount of ETH in circulation decreases considerably during a bull market, increasing the scarcity of an in-demand asset and putting upward pressure on its price. With this in mind, our Ethereum price prediction forecasts that Ethereum could increase as much as 120% from its current ETH, leading ETH to highs of $10,700 by the end of 2025. Our average expected Ethereum coin price forecast is $7,600, and we predict potential lows of $4,500 in 2025. Ethereum price prediction 2030. Due to the turbulent nature of the cryptocurrency industry, it is difficult to say where Ethereum will be by 2030. There is a possibility that Ethereum could see mass adoption, with governments, companies and individuals utilizing it for a wide array of use cases, from a means of payment to decentralized social media. On the other end of the spectrum, smart contract exploits or a global crackdown on decentralized cryptocurrencies with the intention of implementing central bank digital currencies could considerably stunt Ethereum's growth. Ethereum will undoubtedly face trials and tribulations in the future, yet it has the capacity to provide tremendous value and utility and is seen as one of the most promising cryptocurrencies. With this in mind, we expect Ethereum to be at the peak of its next bull run by 2030, thanks to another Bitcoin halving event in 2028. However, it is important to note that blockchain technology and cryptocurrencies are emerging technologies, and there are many known and unknown risks that could negatively impact the price of ETH. Therefore, our Ethereum price prediction estimates an average price of $9,800 by the end of 2030. What is Ethereum and what is it used for? Ethereum is a smart contract blockchain. A smart contract is a piece of code that executes automatically. The Ethereum blockchain is also decentralized, meaning that this code is hosted by a worldwide network of computers, each working independently to verify the execution of these smart contracts and transactions on the network. This decentralization helps to make the network, and the transactions executed, tamper-proof, transparent, and secure. Ether, or ETH, is the Ethereum blockchain's native utility token. It is used to pay transaction fees, aka gas fees, on the network and is used as the base currency for the purchase of other digital assets on the blockchain, like NFTs. It is also the native coin pairing to swap for other tokens, such as ERC20 tokens, that are built on the Ethereum blockchain. Its decentralization and immutability make it ideal for financial activity, commonly known as decentralized finance, DeFi. Additionally, Ethereum is used as the base for metaverse projects, blockchain gaming, NFTs, as a security layer for Layer 2 scaling solutions, and much more. Conclusion. Ethereum is one of the most well-established and technologically advanced cryptocurrencies, which is well positioned to continue to dominate the altcoin landscape in the coming years. While there is a huge upside and future utility potential to ETH, it is always good to be aware that investing in cryptocurrencies carries risks. Important note: the prices mentioned in this video may differ at the time of playback and viewing, due to the continuous volatility and fluctuation of crypto market prices.